Make highly accurate measurements on the go with John Deere's integrated dynamic weighing system. Available on 620R through 680R loaders, paired with the redesigned mid-model year 2022 and newer 6R tractors. DWS works in any loader position and is compatible with all implements. Buckets, bale spears, pallet forks, bag handlers, and rotators. With just a push of a button, it can count the cycle and record the weight of bales and other materials, like feed mixes, so you're confident you get the right amount every time. The dynamic weighing system is able to register multiple units at a time. For example, when handling bales, DWS can count by 1, 2, or 3 bales every loading cycle, while delivering the minimum, maximum, and average weight of the material. DWS can even produce the total weight of a trailer load, a row of bales, or your entire field. Gone are the days of underestimating bale weights or overloading trailers. You can replace your guesswork with confidence with John Deere's dynamic weighing system. Getting the right feed mix every time is easy with DWS. This technology allows you to create and save single materials, such as bales, feed, or fertilizer, or create material groups of up to 6 different commodities. To create a new feed ration, start by opening the Loader DWS Run page. After selecting Material Group, a pop-up window will appear, allowing you to select an existing material group or the option to add a new one by tapping Add Group. Enter the group name, choose the material, and enter the weight, and finish by saving your entries. Each group can be edited or deleted as needed. Once your feed ration is created, set your target weight from the Loader DWS Run page and begin loading. Once you fill your final bucket, the display will alert you it's overweight. Use the bucket shake feature to eliminate excess material to achieve the target weight. If you prefer to load your material in layers, you can easily move between commodities on the display, while DWS records how much of each material is loaded. Stop letting inefficiency weigh you down and start using John Deere's dynamic weighing system.